Systems used to electrically insulate cables and terminations have three things in common. Firstly, they have to have dielectric strength. Secondly, they have to keep moisture out. To be electrically sound, they've got to be waterproof. And thirdly, they must be physically strong. To keep a seal, the most common solutions either rely on adhesive or on rock-solid strength, which only works if the cable is kept absolutely still while the compound is setting. Alfa introduces a unique sealing method, constant compression. Alfa tape is made from a polymer that knits together to form an inseparable mass. This is 10 layers of tape, and after a while it's hardly possible to tell that it isn't just a single entity. Now, you've already seen how Alfa tape can keep water into a pressurised water system, and it follows that if it can keep water in, it can also keep moisture out. So when it comes to electrics, the other key component of the Alfa system is Alfa Smooth. And if I just press that over this connector, this will fill the void, and it offers some mechanical protection so that the bolt there doesn't squeeze through the tape. And then by wrapping the tape over the top of the Alfa Smooth and keeping it tight, it will squash the Alfa Smooth down into the void, and over time this will become one single entity which will keep out moisture and withstand ultraviolet light and harsh weather conditions, and make sure that is in absolutely sound electrical connection. Now, to illustrate the method used to apply Alfa, I'm going to repair this damaged cable. As you can see, the oversheath has been scraped away by a spade, and if it was left like this, the cable would fill up with water. Alfa Smooth is basically used as a filler, and it's squeezed into the crevices when you wrap the tape around it. For electrical connections, the tape is applied in two passes. The first pass provides the waterproof seal, and the second pass gives additional protection. Always start by wrapping from the centre, and remember you've got to keep the tape clean so that it fuses well, and don't forget to wrap along the white line. On the first pass, stretch the tape fully, like you're trying to snap it, and this will create a watertight seal. Continue wrapping for at least another 25 millimetres past the damaged area, and then wrap twice around to make sure that the ends are stronger. Now, the second pass doesn't need to have any tension applied. It ensures that the joint has good protection against abrasion and impact while increasing the electrical insulation. Because Alfa is applied as a tape, it's very versatile. This joint, for example, used by the traffic signals industry, remains completely watertight even with the wires coming out of the side. When making a joint using Alfa, the general rule is to rebuild the cable structure. You first connect and insulate each wire, and then wrap the wires together and make sure the internal insulation is restored, and after that you put back the armour using an earth continuity kit. And then finally complete the oversheath just as I'm doing on this demonstration. So that cable is now repaired and ready for burying. It was easy to do, and it's environmentally sound, and I know that it's not going to let me down, so I can bury it and I can forget it. So if your business is repairing, insulating or weatherproofing electrical connections, don't forget, with Alfa tape you got it covered.
I was very impressed with it actually, and I think I would use it.
What do you think, Roger?
I think very impressive, very impressive.
Have you ever seen anything like that
Nothing
before?
like it at all.
The fact that you can use it on electrical installations as well as plumbing, I can't see why anybody wouldn't want to roll in the van.
Just to be able to go somewhere and just do the job that fast is just fantastic.